Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are looking at common issue may of you are facing. If you want to try to jailbreak your PS5 is firmware at 12.02 through 12.0, it keeps shutting down or failing. As you can see on the screen right now, and the video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix instability issues. Before we start, make sure to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. So let's get started. So first thing first, we are going to do download Y2JB backup package. The main reason your PS5 crashing during exploit is instability, often is called kernel panning. To fix this, first try to disable your internet connections just before the launch the YouTube exploit tab, and then turn it back on once the app starts. That helps bypass initial crashing. So next, after download the file, first grab USB 3 points drive and format into exafiles on your PC, and download the Y2JB backup package and drop into the exact paths. PS5 exploiter backup. Make sure the structure is perfect. So next, now plugging the USB device into the backup of your PS5, and go to settings, system and system softwares, and select backup and restore. Click restore PS5, select the file, and let's wipe in the reboot.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
So next, we are once a reboot, go to straight into your network setting and change your DNS to the community safe of the South Sunny cannot force an auto updates. Now head over to your media dashboard and launch the YouTube app.